Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to export accounts in Freshsales. So if you come here to the account section, you'll see no option like that. So you actually need to come here and click on admin settings on this gear cog right here. And then just go ahead and click on account settings on the bottom left. Click on account settings again right here. And on the right hand side, you'll actually see an option that says export data. I want you to click on this, select the time period for which you want to export the data. I'll choose last 90 days. And then now we need to choose a records to export. In this case, we need to choose accounts. Okay. And the exported data will actually be sent as a zip file to our email. So click here on export data. And then as soon as you do this, you'll get a success message, data export initiated. Okay. So come here to email. Make sure you check the spam section. And then you can click here. You'll see, there we go. We have an email that was just sent 0 minutes ago. Then click here to download the data, and then we'll have a zip file right here. Okay, and that is how to export accounts in Freshsales.